Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Snapchat ads account. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. So we're in Snapchat ads. We need to log into Snapchat ads manager, and you'll do so by using your business credentials, of course, the business that you would like to advertise for. Click the menu icon on the top corner of the screen and select add accounts from the drop down menu. Here you'll choose the specific ad account which you'd like to add your payment method to. You then are going to click on payment methods and billing, and this will be in your account dashboard. You're then going to click add payment method and securely enter your credit card or your PayPal information, depending on which is your preferred method. Make sure that your PayPal account is verified with a card or a bank of some sort so that it will be accepted. And then complete any verification steps that you're prompted with to ensure successful billing for all of your campaigns. And then you can start advertising on Snapchat.